Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worked with multiple Google Sheets and wished you could easily connect them, today's tutorial is going to make your life a whole lot easier. I'm going to show you how to link two different Google Sheets so that data from one automatically appears in another. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a live connection between two sheets, step by step, using a powerful tool built right into Google Sheets. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're signed into your Gmail account. If you're already there, you're a step ahead. Now in the top right corner of your screen, you'll find what looks like a little grid or a cluster of 9 dots that called the Google Apps menu. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see a pop-up with all kinds of Google services. Go ahead and select Google Sheets from the options. This is your command center for everything spreadsheet related. Now for this process, you'll need two separate Google Sheets. If you don't already have two, just create them. You can open one, name it something like Source Sheet, and the second one could be Linked Sheet. Don't worry about the names, just make sure you can tell the two apart. If you already have your data set up in both sheets, you're absolutely ready to start linking. If not, this is a good moment to add a few test rows so you'll have something to experiment with. Here comes the exciting part. To connect these sheets, start by going to your first sheet, the one that has the data you want to share. At the very top of your browser, you'll see the URL, that's the web address for your sheet. Highlight and copy the entire address from the address bar. You'll need this in a moment. Next, switch over to your second sheet where you want the information to appear. You can paste that URL anywhere for now, but don't worry, this is just for reference. What you really need is to remember it for the next step. While you're looking at your first sheet, also take note of the name of the sheet tab at the bottom. For example, it might be called Sheet 1 if you haven't renamed it. Copy this name and, importantly, make sure to add an exclamation point right after it when writing the formula. That little detail is what tells Google Sheets exactly which sheet tab to reference when pulling data in. Alright, let's get hands-on. Go back to your second sheet, pick a blank cell where you want this linked data to start showing up, and let's write a special formula. Type equals IMPORTRANGE, and then inside those parentheses, paste the URL you copied earlier wrapped in quotation marks. Then add a comma and still in quotation marks, write the sheet name, pop an exclamation mark right after it, and specify the range you want to pull, for example, Sheet 1, A1, B1. So your final formula will look something like equals IMPORTRANGE, paste the URL here, Sheet 1, A1, B1. Don't worry if the syntax seems fussy, it just takes a little practice. After you hit enter, you'll see a prompt in the cell asking you to allow access. This is perfectly normal. Just click the button and Google will make a secure connection between your two sheets. Within a few seconds, if everything went well, you'll see the data from your first sheet pop right into the second one. It's almost like magic, but it's just the power of cloud-based spreadsheets. And that's it, your two sheets are now linked, and any changes you make to your original data will automatically update in the linked sheet too. Don't worry if it didn't show up instantly. Sometimes it takes a moment or two for Google Sheets to sync things up. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. And if you have any questions or run into any snags, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next video.